Hi, I'm Norman, and in this week's Frosty Friday challenge, we are looking at a quality of life improvement that was recently added to Snowflake. Where previously one would have to explicitly specify a list of columns to group by, the group by all, as the name suggests, implicitly assumes this. This just saves a few keyboard strokes and hopefully a real stroke from having spent too much time in front of a computer screen. Group by all also identifies duplicate records, making the process of deduplication a tad bit more efficient. With that, let's have a look at this week's dataset, which, not too surprisingly, has identical records. The task is to read the data from an external stage and get rid of the redundant records. I've gone ahead and configured the environment, the database and schema, as well as provisioning a virtual warehouse to process our queries. We're going to get started by creating an external stage that points to a publicly available S3 bucket. Listing the files in our stage, we see a single CSV labeled sales underscore data underscore S3. We still don't know what the file looks like, so let's go ahead and create a file format that ingests the contents as a single field for exploration. Querying the data in the stage, we see 7 columns: ID, product, quantity, the date on which the sale was made, price, country, and city. Using this, or understanding the structure of the incoming dataset, we can create another file format that matches this, as well as a table From here, we can move the data from the external stage and into our newly created Snowflake table, while specifying the file format that we created. Let's go ahead and select star from the Snowflake table, which shows us 106 rows. The question now becomes, which of these are duplicate records? To answer this, we're first going to use the count function, which returns 6 rows, having identified duplicate records. We still don't know which 6. So let's go ahead and use the qualify clause to better gauge which records are identical. Reading off the first 2, we see our product, sports bra, quantity 15, both of which made on the same date, at the same price, and in the same country and city. From here, we can query the data while renaming and arranging our columns to match the expected output using aliases. If you found this useful, go ahead, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as they say in my hometown, don't forget to be awesome.